Public health officials in Ontario are sounding the alarm about easy online access to a potentially deadly drug. Bromazolam is suspected of being involved in a growing number of overdose deaths across the country. The CBC's Jonathan Gatehouse has been investigating this story. He joins us now live. So, Jonathan, what can you tell us about this drug and why officials are so concerned about it?
Well, bromazolam is a type of benzodiazepine, a category of drug commonly used to treat anxiety or sleep disorders, but it was never approved for medical use anywhere in the world. And over the last couple of years, it has come to play a big part in Canada's opioid crisis. Dealers have been adding it to fentanyl to deepen the high, but that comes with a heightened risk of fatal overdose. For example, last year in Ontario, benzodiazepines played a part in almost half of all overdose deaths, killing 1,170 people. And now, bromazolam is being sold openly in Canada. Dr. Thomas Pigott, the medical officer of health in Peterborough, Ontario, recently issued a public health warning about the drug. Here's some of what he had to say.
One of the challenges and concerns is naloxone, the reversal agent for opioids, does not impact and reverse benzos, and so somebody's sedation can be worse, can be less reversible, and somebody can have more breathing problems and eventually potentially die too from it.
Now, I understand as part of your investigation here, you interviewed a family who lost their son to a suspected overdose. Tell us about that.
Yes, Aiden Tate was just 19 when he died at home in Peterborough in early March. The toxicology results are still pending, but investigators on the scene found bromazolam that he had purchased off of the internet and believe that it played a part in his death. His family, of course, are devastated, and they want other parents to be aware that this drug is out there, easily accessible, and can be delivered right to your door via Canada Post. Here's Sarah Budd, Aiden's mother.
Right? The drug dealers are online. They're not just at a party. They're not just at school. Your kid can be the perfect kid, never leaves the home, and he can still be a drug addict because he can order it right off online, just like candy, and come right to your door.
So then what is being done now to try and stop these online sales?
Well, the short answer is not much. Officials in Peterborough told Health Canada about the website that Aiden bought the bromazolam from, and it was taken offline within a week or so. But we found dozens of others still selling the drug via just a simple Google search. Most of them appear to be based in China, and Health Canada notes that it has no power over sites that are hosted offshore. But one of the selling points for these websites is that they are shipping the drug from within Canada to avoid possible seizure at the border, which makes it a matter for the RCMP and Canada Post. We contacted both, and they declined our interview requests. In a statement, Canada Post told us that they beefed up their postal inspections starting in 2019 to try and stop people mailing drugs. Clearly, however, there's more work to be done.